Hi all, I'm going to showcase how to create ranking in Power BI. So basically, like let's say I will consider subcategory by sales. Let's create a basic report here. I have subcategory here. And instead of going for the regular sales, right? So what we can do is we can create a measure. So to create a measure, just right click on the table and we have an option to go for measure, new measure. So let's say total sales. Just an aggregate function, I'm going to use like sum of sales. Okay, so let's just create a measure and place this total sum of total sales into the table here. And if you want to use a slicer, yes, you can also use a slicer. Based on the selection, you can also apply the ranking. So let me apply slicer for subcategory here. Let's place the same dimension subcategory. Let me increase the font here. Just search for size. Increase the grid size. And also increase the size of the slicer. Okay, so now I want to create a ranking calculation. So let's do that. Just right click on this table, right click and create a measure. So what we can do is we can create ranking. So to create a rank, we can use RankX function. And we have to use all selected. So basically we have to use all selected or all, but whenever we are going to use all selected, it will consider the filter. Okay, so I want to use all selected column, not table. So let's use subcategory, whatever the column which we are going to use. Let's use all selected of subcategory from orders table, and we have to calculate a measure. So let me showcase what is all selected of subcategory. So we can also calculate that separately. So calculate, now you can use sum of sales, the expression, which is sum of sales. Okay, so this is for ranking for subcategory elements, whatever the data we have in the report. I just want to allocate rank. So rank X, all selected of subcategory, and you can calculate sum of sales. So that's the formula. But before going to place rank, let me showcase what actually all selected, because whenever we are going to select the slicer, I want to consider the total value of subcategories, the grand total, okay, in the row level. So let's right click, new measure, and let me use all selected as the measure name so that you'll understand. So let's use calculate function, calculate sum of sales, comma, all selected, all selected. Okay, so now you can use orders table. So click apply. So let's place all selected first. I can see we are getting grand total here. So what is the advantage of all selected is whenever you're going to use slicer, let's select accessories, and you can see the same result, like whatever the sales value for accessories, we are also going to get the same result for all selected. Now we do have drop down and list here, but if you want to go for multiple selection, let's use control select, and whatever the data you're going to select, you can see the same total value here for each and every row level. So you can also do some percentage calculation. So this is what all selected. Why I'm showing this particular option in the sense, basically we create a ranking, right? So we create a ranking calculation based on all selected, just to showcase what actually all selected. And let's go for ranking, and let's see here. And you can also use sorting here. Just click on drop down, set descending order, again click on the same drop down, so you're going to get in ascending order. So based on the maximum value, you are getting proper ranking here, correct? And what is the advantage of this in the sense? So let's say whatever the value I'm going to select, you should get based on the selection. I want to apply the ranking. I can see. So based on the selected values, you're getting the rank for the subcategory by sales. Clear? So let me showcase what actually the ranking calculation. Right click. Sorry. This one, click on this. So rank X of all selected of subcategory and calculate sum of sales. So we are using all selected just to showcase all selected. I also created a calculation field all selected. So just click on this to get the formula here. Calculate sum of sales, comma all selected of orders. We can also use all. We can compare what is all versus all selected and also all except. So this is what ranking in Power BI. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.